Okay, hello Aryan. Are you just wake up from take a nap? Take a nap. Oh, can you hear me, everyone? Okay, I am here. Okay, so it's already 3 past 10. We are going to start this class now. But as usual, before we start the class, we better praying first regarding to our religion. Praying begin. Finish. Okay, so is about how. Oh, let's see. Wait a moment. Okay, so this one. It it is about how old are you? How old are you? It is about age, our age. Yeah. At our first meeting, we have already know uh, the age of each other. So before we going to the main topic, that is how old are you, let's start with 20. Okay, so you can check on your chat box. What is that? Do you see something on your chat box? What is that about? Yeah. Do you get a message from your chat box?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so it's about number 20 until 100 or 100. Okay, so as usual, I want to check your writing in number. Let's let's write this number in a word or letter or the spelling. How is the spelling? Okay, you can do it now and please send it to private to me, Guru Bahasa 4. Send private to me, Guru Bahasa 4. Okay, you can start now. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 18, 90, and 100 or 100. How do you spell it into the word or in letter? How do you write it? In a word or letter? Okay, welcome Faiz. Okay, it's from I got from Tristan.
Sorry, Miss. I late.
Why are you late,
Forget.
Faiz? Oh, you forget?
Yes.
Because it is holiday.
Yeah.
I see.
Holiday.
Holiday for school. Oh, so everyone, do you have a school or
Biasaan.
or you don't have a school at this today? Or guru bahasa, we are only have a weekend or holiday at Saturday and Sunday. Today we saw this one. Okay, Faiz, because you are scam, I want to check your writing again about number. You can see on your chat. Is there any or no? Okay, I'll send it to everyone. This is okay. Try to this numbers into word or into oh yeah. Oh sorry everyone. Tristan, you can stop your typing. Okay. It's only this number 20. How do you spell 20? And 30. How do you spell 30? Like that. Okay. I don't want to make your finger feel what we call it tired because writing 20 until 100, 21, 22. Oh, it's so tiring. You will be tired. No, I don't want you to feel tired. Yeah. So just write the number into word or letter 20. How to write 20 in word, 30 in word, 40, just like that. No need to write 21, 22. No, no. You will be tired. I don't want to make you feel tired. Okay, but yeah, I'm still appreciate your work, dear Tristan. Yeah, it's right. All of this. Okay. Okay, Faiz, do you see something on your chat box? It's about number 20 until 100. Is it?
Yes, I
Okay,
see.
yes. Okay, you see. I want to check your writing about numbers. Yeah, just same like our previous meeting, like that. Do you find it easy in spelling the numbers, or do you find it hard? Or is it hard for you?
It's easy because I have learned it.
Okay. Oh, you say it's easy. So let's see. Do you fin do you type or do you write or do you chat in these numbers? Okay, let's see. Okay, Aryan, have you done? Where is Aryan? Aryan is missing. He is. Oh, he is missing. What happened? Okay, you can have a drink in this class because I already allowed you. Okay, how? Okay. Oh, Faiz, I found one incorrect. Which one do you think? One, only one.
100.
Yeah. Okay, which one is the correct spelling? 100. Okay, which one? Oh no, it's not one, but it's four. Oh, only one. Sorry, it's only one. Which one do you think? Yeah, you cannot see your friend's work here. Okay, 100. 100. Is it Faiz, is it using letter T or letter D? 100. 100. If using letter T, so it is 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. So it's 100. 100. Okay. Aryan, are you okay? I mean, you are freezing here. You are freezing, Aryan. Oh, no. Okay, okay, for the one who already done for Tristan. Okay, Tristan. Now you can make five numbers. It's up to you. Five numbers is up to you, and your friends will do the same like this. Write it, the spelling. Write the spelling. Okay. Right. Make five five numbers. It between 20 until 100. So it's up to you if you want to make 24 or 35. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, so you make a question for your
How
friend.
much? How much question, Miss?
Only 5.
Okay.
Okay, this one is D. You see?
What?
D, D, D. Okay, so you got that. So you got that. Okay, one. Oh, you can make it in using enter 21 enter like that. If you can. Oh, you cannot. Oh, it's hard. Okay, okay, it's fine. If you want to send it one by one, that's fine. Okay, Aryan, have you finished? Have you finished write it? The number into letter, into word. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. This is shh, shh, shh. Shh. Okay, now this is Tristan question for you, for Faiz and for Aryan. Okay, if you can write that each question will be getting 2 points for this. You will get 2 points if you write it into the correct spelling. Okay, let's see. The first question from this Tristan is 25. And the second is 35. The third is 45. 6. Eh, the fourth question is, what is that? 67. And the fifth question is 89. Okay, let's see, Aryan. Can you do the question? Can you answer the question? Can you write the correct spelling? Okay, thank you, Aryan. Thank you, Tristan. Sorry. Okay, Aryan, have you done writing? Okay,
What?
can you hear? It's Aryan. Okay, because Aryan is keep silent. What happened to him? He is freezing. Okay, Aryan, maybe you can move to the place you used to be. I think that is you have a different background there. Okay, it's all also the same for Faiz because Faiz have done. You can write 5 questions for your friends. 5 questions for your friends.
All right.
All right, all
Question.
left. Yeah, question. The question is you write 5 numbers. It's up to you. It is 33 or 46 like
Oh,
that. Yeah, only 5. And
yes.
yeah, that one. Okay, Tristan, you can do that. And also, Faiz can answer Tristan question and send it to everyone so I can see it. Okay, because yeah, in spelling number I am still found or find some students still mistyping. or typo, mistyping, and type the number incorrectly. So yeah, I'm going to check your writing. Okay, if you correct answering this question, you will get 2 points each. 2 points each question. Oh, oh, I see. Wait a moment. Okay, for Aryan. For Faiz and Tristan, you can do. Tristan can answer Faiz questions, and also Tristan can answer Faiz question. Also, Faiz can answer Tristan's question. Okay, you will have 2 points each question, and these points will help you when you are having an exam. That is can be add into your exam. This point can be added into for your exam, final exam in this course. Yeah. Okay, have you done, Faiz?
No,
No, not yet. Can see 57, 32, 24, 50. Okay, yes. Oh, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, great job, Tristan. Okay, sip, sip, sip. Okay, well done. And yeah, I'm waiting for Faiz. Oh. Oh, wait a moment, Faiz. Focus, 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 true lala. Just like Marcia and the bear. Okay, the last. Oh, okay. The question is 89, but you write it 88. Okay, I think Faiz needs aqua to drink, so you can focus. Okay, you can have mine. This Faiz. Yeah, drink much water to make you focus. Okay, great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, so guys, Aryan connection is not good. He just text to me. Yeah, he is here, but he only your voice and my voice. He cannot hear it properly. Okay, so yeah, we have already checked this. Okay, so now let's Oh, I have a question again. And this one, let's practice our listening. Let's practice our listening. Okay, I have a question. There are four, and not question. I mean, there are four sentences, and please write it on the chat box and send it to Guru Bahasa 4 privately. Okay, the question is, okay, please listen carefully. Can you hear me, everyone? Because it is
Yes, I
listening.
can.
Okay, it's listening section. Okay, Aryan, can you hear me now? Oh, I think he cannot hear me. Okay, Aryan, you can move to the place that you used to be. Yeah, I think that place has in your house that a good connection. Okay, you can move there. Okay, here is the question. Please prepare your finger on keyboard. Okay, the first question is not question, sorry. The first sentence is I will say it twice. Twice. Two times. Okay, so listen carefully. Kuseda has watched 84 films at the house during lockdown. Okay, okay, you can type it on the chat box. What I just say.
How much film?
84.
84.
Okay, I will read it once again. Kuseda has watched 84 films at the house during lockdown. Okay, can you hear it properly? Okay, you can send it to the chat box.
Sorry, Miss. Once again, please.
Oh, once again. Oh, okay. Okay, once again. Okay, please listen carefully. Kuseda has watched 84 films at the house during lockdown. Okay, do you get it, Faiz? Do you get it? Is it easy for you?
No,
No, no what? No what?
it's so hard.
It's so hard. Okay, it is for what we call it? For test our listening skill. Our listening skill. Okay. What word did you get? What word do you get? Is it only Kuseda? Okay, well done. Okay, Faiz, where are you? Okay, great job. Tristan.
Not
Yeah.
here.
Huh? Not here? Also, who am I talking with? Is it ghost?
Yes.
Okay, so the ghost is joining the course. Wow. Wow, the ghost is what? Is joining the course and wants to learn
One
English.
study.
One study. Okay, so yeah, ghost. What is ghost? Let's try this. Do you get the word or no? What is, oh, but you are not scary. You are not scary. The ghost is
No.
not scary. Oh, okay. So the second one. Okay, Faiz didn't get it out. Okay, Faiz, let's try. Let's try. I think you have a good listening skill. Let's try second. This will be long, very long sentence. Okay, I will read it slowly. Okay, goes, Faiz goes. Let's do this. Okay. The sentence is Faiz wants to go to Tokyo. Okay, Faiz wants to go to Tokyo to eat 20 bowls of ramen and eat it together with his family. Yeah, that is. The sentence is Faiz wants to go to Tokyo to eat 20 bowls of ramen and eat it together with his family. That is. Okay. Okay, for Aryan, maybe you can move to another place that has good connection in your house. Okay. Yeah, you can, if you can.
Sekali lagi, Miss.
Oh, one more. Okay, one more. Listen carefully. Faiz wants to go to Tokyo to eat 20 bowls of ramen and eat it together with his family. Yeah.
One more, one more.
One more. Oh, wow, you are asking too much. Okay, this is the last. This is the last. This is the last. Okay, this is the last. Faiz wants to go to Tokyo. Faiz wants to go to Tokyo to eat 20 bowls of ramen and eat it together with his family.
Dan
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is one. Oh, two more. Okay, the next is, listen carefully. Aryan Aryan has 99 diamonds on his Mobile Legend account. Aryan has 99 diamonds on his Mobile Legend account. Oh, that I think that's very easy for you.
Once again, Miss, my connection like
Oh, okay, lagging. Oh, because of lagging. Okay. Check. Aryan has 99 diamonds on his Mobile Legend account. Okay. One more.
enough.
Oh, enough.
Enough.
Okay. Wow. It's 20 April. 22 April. 19. Oh, 90. Okay. Okay. Do you want one more, Tristan? I'm still waiting for you. Okay. Okay, great job. Okay, the last question. The last sentence. Sorry, I mean. Listen carefully. Tristan, Tristan made Tristan made 33 goals. Tristan made 33 goals when he play football competition. One more. Tristan made 33 goals when he when he play football competition. Okay. One more or enough?
One more.
Okay, one more. Okay, listen carefully. Tristan. Okay. Oh, wait. Tristan made 33 goals when he plays football competition. Tristan made 33 goals when he play football competition. I'll say it one more. Tristan made 33 goals when he played football competition. Okay, Tristan made 33 goals. Yay, goal. 33 goals when he played football competition. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that is about numbers and listening section. Okay, thank you for joining the listening section. Now we are moving to our main topic. That is about how old are you? Okay, do you still remember how old am I? Me? Forget. Forgot. How old
Yes.
am I? Forgot. Okay, I am 42. Do you believe I am 42?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. So I am look so old. 42. Wow, 42. Okay, it's 24. The opposite. 42. I am 24. And yeah, this is I have peppers here. Peppers for peppers. Inside this pepper there is your name. Okay, so I will ask you some question if your name appear in this paper.
And
Who is it? Can you see?
atas
I
sedikit.
Guzeda.
Oh, Guseda. Okay, Guseda, your turn.
Guzeda is not here. Not.
On Guseda is not here. Where is he? Do you know where is he?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. The next is who is the next? Who? Please read it. I didn't see. Who?
Faiz.
Oh, Faiz. Okay, the one who is. Okay, Faiz. I am going to interrogate you. I will be the detective. Okay, so what is your name?
Teguh Nazirul Faiz.
Okay.
Pergantian.
Okay. So, Mr. Faiz. How old are you, Mr. Faiz?
11 years old.
11 years old. Okay, so how old is your mother, Mr. Faiz?
45 years old.
44
45.
or 45? So, how old is your father, Mr. Faiz?
50, 50, 53.
Oh, you forget your father's birthday? Oh, Mr. Faiz, 53. Okay. Do you know when is your mother's birthday?
2
Oh, 2
November.
November. Okay, so it's good that you remember your mother's birthday. And how about your father, Mr. Faiz? When is your father's birthday?
29 August.
Oh, wow, so impressive. Actually, some of my um customer, when is their father's birthday? But you know, well, that impressive. You are good boy. Okay, good child. Okay, so do you know how old is your grandmother?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh my God. Wait. How about your grandfather?
I know my grandmother.
Oh, who? When?
70. Indonesia berapa sih sekarang?
I don't know. I don't know.
Pokoknya di atas Indonesia lah.
Di atas Indonesia, what does it mean? Oh, I see.
Maybe.
Oh, I see. Indonesia age is 76, or maybe your grandmother is 78, maybe. Oh, I see. So above what we call it, above Indonesian age. Okay, so next is who is appearing on this letter and on this paper. Okay, thank you, Mr. Faiz. I've got your data. Thank you. I'm leaving. Bye. So who is the next?
Aryan.
Okay, Aryan, Mr. Aryan. Where is Mr. Aryan? Okay, he is here. Okay, Mr. Aryan, check. 1, 2, 3. I am going to interrogate you. I am from government and I will interrogate you. Okay, so Mr. Aryan, what is your full name?
My full name is Aryan Maulana Aziz.
Okay, Mr. Aryan Maulana Aziz. Okay, Mr. Aryan, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Third,
12.
30 or 12. Oh, I am sorry, Mr. Aryan. Okay, 12. Oh, so 12. And how old is your mother?
She is 37 years old.
Okay, so your mother is 37 years old. And how about your father, Mr. Aryan? How old is he?
He is 44 years old.
Okay, 44 years old. How about your grandmother? You don't know? You forget?
60 years old.
Oh, okay, 60 years old. And how about
She
your
is 60 years old.
grandfather?
My grandfather is in die.
Oh, okay. I am sorry to hear that. Okay. I hope your grandfather rests in peace. Amin. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Aryan. So, okay. Thank you. I'm leaving, Mr. Aryan. Aryan, goodbye. Okay. So, next is, yeah. Okay. It's Tristan, of course. Mr. Tristan. Okay, Mr. Tristan, what is your full name?
My full name is Tristan Johannes Butar Butar.
Okay, Mr. Johannes or Johannes?
Johannes.
Oh,
Johannes.
Okay, so how old are you, Mr. Johannes?
I am 13 years old.
13
Years old. 13.
Okay, 13 years old. And how about your mother? How old is she?
She is 44 years old.
And your and your father?
My father is 45 years old.
Oh, it's only 1 year apart. Okay, so how about your grandmother? How old is
My
she?
grandma is around 80,
Okay, around.
maybe 80.
Oh, so old. Wow. And then how about your grandfather?
My grandpa is already dead, but my grandpa is around 82.
Oh, around 82. Oh, I see. I hope your grandfather is rest in peace. Amen. Okay, who is this? Aryan. Okay. So, okay, thank you so much for your time, Mr. Who is your name? Mr. Johannes. Mr. Johannes. Okay, so I am leaving.
Okay.
Sorry. I cannot take it off. Okay, so yeah, I am back to Miss Ika. Okay, so okay, let's take a picture for this. I'm going to count. Okay, Mr. Faiz and Mr. Aryan, can you join? Oh, wait a moment. Who is it? Okay, wait a moment. Yeah, Keisha, do you want to join, Keisha? Okay, I will count 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thanks for joining this class. See you on Monday. Yeah, happy holiday,
Bye.
everyone. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank you for today.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Anytime, anytime. Alhamdulillah, our class. Risa, let's